What's up, sissy? What's up? I bought you a cat scratcher. You like it? No, it's not cat. Is it called cat scratcher? Yeah, cat scratcher. That's to file down your nails a little bit. Because I bought new sofas, and I don't want you scratching it. And I don't want to get rid of you, because you're my baby. Yeah. Love you. Sissy. Sissy. Hey, you know your name, huh? That's Sissy. You know your name? I have you for lots of years already. I found you when you were a little baby. Your mom Janet, your daddy Ozzy, your brother Joey, we all took care of you when you were a little baby. We gave you milk, we gave you food, and we brought you into our house. And here you are. I'm grateful that we have you. Okay, sissy? I love you.